Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Welcome to this session on reducing shrinkage in call centers. Shrinkage, the percentage of paid time when agents are not available to handle customer calls, remains one of the biggest challenges in workforce management. In this framework, we'll explore a practical mix of traditional workforce practices and AI-powered strategies that work together to reduce shrinkage. From smarter scheduling and proactive absenteeism management to predictive analytics and real-time performance monitoring, this approach is designed to improve staffing accuracy, increase productivity, and maintain strong service levels. By combining human-centric practices with advanced AI tools, organizations can move beyond short-term fixes and build a sustainable, data-driven strategy to control shrinkage and enhance customer experience. One of the most effective ways to reduce shrinkage in a call center is through strong workforce management and smarter scheduling. It starts with accurate forecasting. By analyzing historical shrinkage data, such as absenteeism trends, training schedules, and peak call times, we can predict staffing needs with greater precision. Next, staggered break scheduling ensures that not too many agents step away at the same time. This keeps call coverage steady, especially during peak hours, and prevents unnecessary service level dips. Finally, adopting flexible shift models, such as split shifts or part-time agents, gives managers the ability to quickly scale up or down. This flexibility helps absorb the impact of absenteeism without leaving customers waiting. The result? Fewer idle periods, more agents consistently available to handle calls, and ultimately a lower shrinkage percentage that drives stronger service levels. Absenteeism is one of the biggest contributors to shrinkage, and controlling it requires both technology and people-focused strategies. First, real-time attendance tracking systems give managers immediate visibility into agent absences. Automated alerts ensure staffing gaps can be addressed quickly before they disrupt service levels. Second, introducing agent incentives, such as recognition programs or rewards for consistent attendance and strong shift adherence, encourages reliability and accountability. Equally important are work-life balance initiatives. Flexible leave policies, wellness programs, and mental health support not only reduce stress but also cut down on unplanned absenteeism. When these strategies are combined, the impact is clear: lower absenteeism, higher agent availability, and a measurable reduction in shrinkage. Planned activities such as training, meetings, and coaching are essential for agent development, but if not managed carefully, they can significantly increase shrinkage. The first step is to schedule these activities during off-peak hours. By moving coaching sessions and team briefings away from high call volume periods, more agents remain available when customers need them most. Next, replace long in-person meetings with shorter, focused huddles or digital updates. This minimizes downtime while still keeping teams aligned and informed. Finally, leverage e-learning modules. Allowing agents to complete training at their own pace prevents large groups from being offline at the same time, which helps maintain steady service levels. The overall impact is powerful: more agents online during peak hours, stable service levels even during busy times, and ultimately, a lower cost per call. Technology and automation play a critical role in minimizing shrinkage by making workforce management more intelligent and proactive. With AI-powered workforce management tools, predictive analytics can forecast not only call volumes but also shrinkage patterns. This allows managers to anticipate gaps and plan staffing with far greater accuracy. Real-time adherence monitoring dashboards provide instant visibility. They flag issues like late logins, early logouts, or extended breaks, enabling supervisors to intervene immediately before service levels are affected. In addition, self-service scheduling platforms empower agents to swap or adjust shifts digitally. This flexibility reduces the risk of last-minute no-shows and keeps staffing levels consistent. The result is clear: improved schedule adherence, fewer unexpected staffing disruptions, and a measurable boost in overall productivity. Even the best staffing strategies can fall short if systems fail. That's why ensuring reliability through strong IT support is essential to controlling shrinkage. First, redundant systems, including backup servers and stable internet connections, provide a safety net. They reduce the risk of downtime and keep agents connected to customers without disruption. Next, proactive IT monitoring powered by AI can detect early warning signs of outages or system slowdowns. By predicting and addressing these issues before they escalate, call centers can minimize their impact on staffing and service delivery. The outcome is straightforward: fewer technical interruptions, smoother agent operations, and a significant reduction in unplanned shrinkage. Another powerful way to manage shrinkage is by reducing the overall load on live agents through self-service and digital channels. IVR self-service systems handle routine customer queries, like balance checks or order status updates, without the need for agent intervention. This frees up agents for more complex interactions. Similarly, chatbots and online FAQs absorb a large portion of repetitive inquiries. By deflecting calls to these channels, managers gain more flexibility to schedule training, breaks, or meetings without compromising service levels. The impact is significant: a reduced call load, smoother staffing during shrinkage events, and more consistent service delivery for customers. Absenteeism is often unpredictable, but with artificial intelligence, call centers can stay one step ahead. Through predictive modeling, AI analyzes historical absenteeism patterns, such as seasonal spikes during flu season or higher no-shows around holidays, to forecast staffing gaps before they happen. Armed with this foresight, managers can make proactive staffing adjustments. For example, scheduling backup agents or on-call resources during high-risk periods ensures there are no surprises when attendance dips. The impact is powerful: unexpected shrinkage days are prevented, service levels remain stable, and customers continue to receive timely support even when absenteeism risks are high. Finally, reducing shrinkage is not just about one-time fixes. It requires ongoing monitoring and continuous improvement. Real-time dashboards make this possible by tracking shrinkage in parallel with other key metrics such as service level, average speed of answer, average handle time, and occupancy. This visibility helps managers connect the dots between staffing behaviors and performance outcomes. In addition, root cause analysis digs deeper into shrinkage patterns, whether by shift, by day, or by individual agent behavior. Identifying these trends allows leaders to address the underlying issues instead of just the symptoms. The result is a cycle of continuous improvement, leading to a sustainable reduction in shrinkage rates and stronger long-term service performance. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.